If you want to quickly organize your notes and make important text stand out, Evernote has a simple highlighting tool that can help. In this video, I'll show you how to highlight text in Evernote step by step so you can emphasize key ideas, important reminders, and anything else you want to find fast later. This is a really useful skill whether you're taking class notes, planning projects, or keeping work documents organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Evernote tips and software walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote and go to the note you want to edit. You can do this from your notes list or by searching for the note if you already know the title. Once the note is open, take a moment to find the exact text you want to highlight. This is important because Evernote lets you emphasize specific words or sections, which makes your note much easier to scan later. Now click and drag your mouse or trackpad over the text you want to select. As you drag across the words, you'll see the selected area become highlighted on screen. Make sure you select only the part you want emphasized. If you accidentally grab too much text, just click again and reselect it. The cleaner your selection, the better your note will look. After the text is selected, look at the formatting toolbar above your note. You should see a highlighter icon that looks like the tip of a marker. This is the tool that changes the appearance of the selected text and adds the highlight effect. If you don't see it right away, make sure your cursor is still active in the note and that the text remains selected. Click the highlighter icon to apply the default highlight. In many cases, this will instantly change the selected text to a highlighted style. If you want a different color, look for the small drop-down arrow next to the highlighter icon. Clicking that arrow opens the color palette where you can choose the highlight color that works best for your note. For example, you might use yellow for general key points, green for action items, or another color to separate categories in your notes. Using consistent highlight colors can make your Evernote system even more powerful because you'll instantly know what each color means when you come back later. If the highlight doesn't appear the way you expected, double check that the text is still selected and that you click the correct formatting tool. Sometimes the toolbar can look a little different depending on your version of Evernote, but the process is still the same. Select the text, open the highlighter menu, and choose the color you want. Once you've applied the highlight, click anywhere else in the note to deselect the text and review the result. You'll see the emphasized section stand out clearly from the rest of the content. You can repeat this process as many times as you want for different parts of the same note, which is great for marking definitions, deadlines, ideas, or important next steps. And that's it. You now know how to highlight in Evernote. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in how organized and useful your notes feel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.